The length, breadth and thickness of a rectangular sheet of metal is 4.234 meters, 1.005 meters and 2.01 centimeter. Okay, let me write it down. It is 4.234 meters. Breadth is 1.005 meters and thickness T is 0.0201 meters if we convert centimeter into meters. Now the number of significant digits, if we see, we have 4 here, 4 here and only 3 here. Okay, now let us calculate what is the area and the volume of the given sheet to current significant figures. So total surface area of a rectangular sheet having certain thickness, that means you have to take care of the faces, all the 6 faces. Okay, that means top, bottom, side, left, right, everything, which is 2 times length into breadth plus length into thickness plus breadth into thickness. Okay, now let's substitute these values. So the total surface area, or let's say that area is A, will be 2 times length 4.234 into 1.005 plus 2 times 1.005 into 0.0201 plus 2 times 4.234 into 0.0201. Now let us calculate these values separately, the values which are given within the brackets. So if we calculate this term, this will be 2 times 4.25517. If you do the multiplication, you will get this value. Then if you take multiplication of these two, what you are going to get is 0.0202005, and the third value is, that is 4.234 into 0.0201, you will get 0.0851034. Now the number of significant digits in the first product, because both has got length as well as breadth, both has got 4 significant digits, so this also cannot have more than 4 significant digits, so you have to round off here. So the digit to be cut off is 1, which is less than 5, so the value will be 2 times 4.255. okay, in the second case it will be 2 times, this value cannot have more than 3 significant digits, because here if you see, one is having 4 significant digits, the other physical quantity has only 3. So if you round off this, it will be rounded off somewhere here, so the value will be 0.0202. and if you take into consideration the third product, here you have got 4, here you have got 3, so this also will have only 3. okay, so that value will now become 0.0851. okay, now the question is to add these 3 and then multiply it with 2. so 4.255, then 0.0202, and here we have 0.0851. 0.51. Now we have to add up these three values and then multiply it with 2. Now in case of addition, we have to take the number of significant digits that are there after the decimal place. So here we have got 3, here we have got 4, and here also we have got 4. So the resultant or the result cannot have more than 3 digits after the decimal place. Now let us add this normally. This is 3, this is 0, carry forward 1. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, so carry forward is 1. So this is 3, 4.3603. Now it cannot have more than 3 significant digits, so we have to cut off here. So the answer is 4.360. Now remember, this entire expression was multiplied with 2. Okay, that we had taken as common. So 2 multiplied with 2.360. So if we calculate this, what we will get is 8.720 meter square. Now this is the final answer, in which the number of significant digits are 4, whereas in this we had only 3 significant digits. Okay, so the answer will be having only 3 significant digits, which is 8.72 meter square. Is that clear? Now let us calculate what would be the volume. Now volume is given by product of length, breadth and thickness. Okay, so the length is 4.234, breadth is 1.005 and thickness is 0.0201. So if you do the normal multiplication, you will get 0.0855 28917. This is meter cube. Now if you see the three products, you have this as having 3 significant digits, this has 4 and this has 4. So the product cannot have more than 3 significant digits. So you have to cut off here. So the answer would be 0.0855 meter cube. Okay.